The 2005 Hyundai Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, bucket seats, power door locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.